This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this town and also of this wine appellation located in the southwestern part of France, somewhat around Toulouse, but a little bit more towards the coast. That makes some red wines, some rosé wines, as well as some white wines. They do make some slightly fizzy wines that are called the Gaillac Perles. Most wines in this area are made from local grapes that are relatively obscure, such as the Duras, Fer-Servadou. They do use a bit of Syrah, some Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc and Merlot, but also other local grapes such as Laine-de-l'El, Mauzac or Muscadel. Anyway, quite an interesting variety of wines are made in that area. So how do you go about pronouncing the term Gaillac? Gaillac with the typical French pronunciation. So the ILL in French is essentially like it was a Y, the letter Y. So just pretend there's a Y here between the two A's and that makes it a lot easier. Gaillac. Gaillac. The wines from Gaillac, les vins de Gaillac from the southwestern part of France. Gaillac. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.